古人云：白藕、绿叶、红莲，三大圣人发性礼，得了窍妙，回老家务又本末。事有终始，之所先后，则近道矣。信教不爱修道，但不宜只有信教，耽误修道，本末倒置。实在可惜，点老母娘的奥妙道在使逆东郭子问于庄子曰：所谓道，呜呼！在庄子曰：无所不在。东郭子曰：其而后可。庄子曰：在蝼蚁。曰：何其下也？曰：在蹄。百。曰：何其欲下且？曰：在瓦辟。曰：何其欲甚且？曰：在屎逆。东郭子不应。庄子曰：夫子之问也，故不及直。正或之问于监视律系也。每下欲况，汝为莫必，无乎陶物。只道若是，大言亦然。周天贤三者，一名同时，其之义也。庄子之备有第22老母娘的心声，依三山坡母子礼，乃不得已。皇母训子10戒，1戒亦当初天未分，混沌未探妙明明无人，我空空一团，96亿元佛子先天同聚，无忧愁无烦恼，自在安然。先兄弟先姐妹生来伴随母来随母去，不离身边，极乐国任逍遥，随意玩耍，成青龙跨彩凤，无量尊严，不惧寒不惧暑，无数无还无阴阳，无对待，至理纯然，暇无事任遨游，先天妙境门卷来，或下棋，或将琴弹，吃的是仙桃，点琼浆玉一穿的是登云鞋，仙衣仙山，老母娘的心声。2论无极为圣欲至善宝，静静而应通，万法万类根源，自从那骄子会气数以道为母，我命七佛治理坤乾，万八在气数并天使成就，又待至丑会满地是完全清气，升为天盘布至星斗浊气，降凝为地土海山川，至盈会天地交日月和照会阴阳和阴晕，万类生全，此即是先天妙开辟之本，无极静态及动狂及坤乾老母娘的心声。3道即理理即道虚灵之妙道生一生二又生三，一本散万殊哉，自无入有其奥妙，是神天意难尽言。天即成，地即立，万物其北东土，无人焉，缺少女男，纳10节为母，我无奈之处方舍我96子西降凡间屡次的差援佛东土，而下来一次反一次，不肯治，凡无奈何为母，我造下且93山坡弘罪了菩萨。佛南设一个大仙池，其来洗澡，趁机会先一邪收回礼，天众佛自就醒来，不见母面，又不见先一邪，可在哪边？老母娘的心声。4为娘我悲痛泪源自呼唤耳众等宿东奔，莫要在脸，如若是先一邪教与尔等耳，哪个亦不肯在世至凡折树枝和树叶，遮寒地冷，饿了吃松果子， 何引心玄众佛子如调回悲哀悲叹，问母我至何时方把家还？母言答三期末，大开普度清烧书清寂性清度佛缘降道，乃为救良善，降劫乃未收恶煞，血泪以余叹子归。需用真心体会老母娘的心声，末节时期，把握经现效圣法前，不畏考验，坚守愿解，共赴龙华。极乐国任逍遥，随意玩耍，成青龙化彩凤，无量尊严在里天极乐之天国里。任意逍遥游玩，随意玩耍，乘其青龙，化作彩色凤凰，任意去来，显现无量尊贵与庄严，不惧寒，不惧暑，无数无管，无阴阳，无对待，至理纯然理天，无寒暑冷热，总是恰是温度，无拘无束，亦无阴阳之对待，只有纯然一环理气。理天以跳脱一切阴阳对待，故无阴阳寒暑之分别对待，自性至理纯然，通达无碍，故无束无管，暇无事，任遨游先天妙境门卷来，或下棋，或将琴弹弦，暇无事则任意遨游，观赏先天美妙景致，或下棋娱乐，或弹琴消遣。理天之境无闷倦之事，举凡一切活动皆随心之所至，意之所乐而为之。吃的是仙桃果琼浆玉一穿的是穿云鞋仙衣仙衫，吃的是仙桃仙果，喝的是琼浆玉意，穿的是仙衣仙鞋。仙桃果蟠桃之果实，亦称仙桃。蟠桃实洲即东海有山，名度所山，上有大桃树，盘曲3000里，曰蟠木。武帝内传7月7日，西王母降，以仙桃4颗与地，第10折收其核，欲种之。母曰：此桃3000年一时，中下地薄，种之不生。帝乃止。论无极为圣欲至善宝净净而因通万化万类根源理天是至善宝地，是无极的境界，至圣之疆域。此地至虚至境，感而遂通万物之造化，是一切万物之根源所在。自从那骄子会气数以道为母，我命西佛治理坤乾一元12，会子会开天丑，会替地寅，会生人卯，会辰会巳，会午，会未，会申，会人灭酉，会地灭戌，会天灭亥，会混沌昧，会各10800年。一元共129600年。七佛治世，三佛收元，七佛治世南方是爱佛6000年，北方生玉佛4800年，即10800年。卯会东方甲三春佛3720年，西方有长庚佛7080年，即10800年。辰会西北方空谷佛5284年，东南方龙野佛5500 516年即10800年，四会东北方祭天佛5800年，伏羲是代理佛500年即6300年，五会中三佛收元然灯古佛青阳旗，掌天盘。莲慈会释迦文佛红阳旗，掌天盘。灵山会弥勒古佛白阳旗，掌天盘。龙华会万八载气数足天使成就，又代指丑会满地是完全子会开天10800年，天成就丑会譬地10800年，地完全智慧会数尽，智是圆满。母会元灵收回，又会灭地，虚会灭天，海会重回混沌星气，生为天盘部至星斗浊气，降名为地土海山川清清之气，上升则为天。满天部满着河汉星斗，此为气界所居之处。重浊之气下降则为地，大地为重浊之气所凝结而成，形成了土海山川，此为象界所居之处。至阴会天地交日月和照会阴阳和阴晕，万类生全子会开天，丑会譬地，以完成阴阳二气之分判。寅会之时，天地阴阳之气相交，日月叠相交替，阴阳阴晕而育生万物品类。此即是先天妙开辟之本无极静态即动黄即坤乾，此即是先天妙理开天辟地之本源。无极主静，属理天；太极主动，属气天；黄极主化，属象天。道即理，理即道虚灵之妙道，生一，一生二，二又生三道，即是理。理即是道，至虚至灵，万物本源之奥妙运用。道本虚灵，能生一，一能生二，二能生三，三能生万物。无极生太极，太极生两仪，两仪生三才，三才者天地人，万物因之而生，生化万物图。
e://LCC_LCC_2/
意图象极，生化5万点。
JPG
天既成地既立，万物其北东土里无人焉，缺少女男，天地既成，万物以其北，这就是象天。亦称娑婆世界、堪苦世界、苦海、此岸东土等等名称，不一而足。这世界被创立之后，尚无人焉，缺少男女，整个世界乏人管理统治。那时桀为母，我无奈之处，方舍我救六子七将。凡间由于天地有定数，子会开天，丑会辟地，寅会需要有人降生。时机已至，老母娘亦有无奈之处，才舍下皇母之九六元胎佛子，以其降临凡间，接受种种历练，屡次的差援佛东土，而下来一次反一次不肯至凡，于是老母娘每次差遣援佛子下凡降临东土， 每来一次又回去一次，就是不肯留下来治理凡间东土。无奈何为我造下血酒三山托红，醉了菩萨佛身在无可奈何之下，老母娘只好造下血酒。在三山托红醉了，原本就是佛菩萨的原胎佛子，设一个大仙池期来洗澡，趁机会先衣邪收回礼天老母娘，还设一个大仙池，好让大家一起来洗澡，趁机会将大家的仙衣仙鞋都收回礼天。众佛子就醒来，不见母面，又不见仙衣鞋，可在哪边？众佛子就醒之后，却见不到老母娘，又不见仙衣仙鞋。为娘，我悲痛泪源自呼唤耳，众等速东奔，莫要再敛老母娘，因为要与众原胎佛子分离，故而心中感到悲痛而流泪，并且呼唤众佛子速速往东土而去，千万别再留恋于礼天之舒适自在。如若是仙衣邪教与尔等哪个亦不肯再是临凡老母娘，若把仙衣仙邪交给原胎佛子，则又没有一个肯降临凡间留下来治理世界。这树枝和树叶遮寒地冷饿了失踪佛子和影星全到了凡间，若天气寒冷，就这些树枝和树叶来遮盖身体，以御寒地冷。若肚子饿了，就取松子果子吃；口渴了，就取清凉泉水喝。众佛子如调回悲哀悲叹，问母我至何时方把家还？众佛子听了老母娘如此吩咐，皆如吊失了魂魄一般，悲伤地哀嚎叹息，纷纷问老母娘：我们到什么时候才能回家呢？母言答：三期末打开普度清烧书清寂信清度佛缘。老母娘回答说，等到三期末节大开普度的时候，老母娘会亲自烧书寄信给大家，并且亲自来度化众原胎佛子，告一回家之路。家相信书皇母训子十戒以及仙佛圣训，都是皇母烧书信度化佛子众生。众儿女心由一悲生大放为母，我且合同赋予。皇元听了老母娘的话语，众原胎佛子心中有存惊疑，悲伤地放声大哭。老母娘见众佛子如此惊疑悲痛，于是写下了合同给众原佛子，以作为将来回天之凭证。求道时的合同皆是凭证。自此，我原佛子东土而奔至世界为男女在地人焉。从此，皇母之原胎佛子便向东土奔驰而去，便治理世界，或为男，或为女，并传递人间烟火。母子分各东西，好不难过。自此，我众佛子受尽熬煎子各分东西，令老母娘内心好难过。 而众佛子自此以后却受尽无限的折磨与煎熬。唐李白不风师名利图煎熬，安得闲于不？至今时区只算6万年，载每想而在世苦母心难安。自三山坡一别到现在，区只算来已有6万年了。自寅会生人以来，至今未知出，已将近6万年时光。每每想起众佛子在世间受苦受难，皇母内心就难以安舒。一别千古一别6万多年，今时夏运也至为母，降道差三佛半没，后普度收圆，现在时运已经到了，为挽回在世间受苦的原佛子，老母娘降下了大道，指引众生回天之路，并差遣三佛半里末后一着的普度收圆。三佛燃灯古佛释迦牟尼佛弥勒佛，如何与老母娘同在一任理时修一理，不一人修道，任指真一人一出错，一理是良心二行公了愿，天不能言，地不能语，人能弘道非道。
Unpacked contents.
Hi, I'm Rick Stokes. Back with
Loading 521 x execute 斜线330千位元组斜线 HTML 斜线12 files. Publisher as preface, introduction, outline of the book, JD Lit. Registration Office. 01 Tribunal, 02 Tribunal, 03 Tribunal, 04 Tribunal, 05 Tribunal, 06 Tribunal, 07 Tribunal, 08 Tribunal, 09 Tribunal, 10 Tribunal. Name at Chinese word code big 5斜线意味元组加00 back contents 等于 find 1521 HTML 0A1 等于 publisher as preface 0A2 等于 introduction 0A3 等于 outline of the book 0A4 等于 JD Lit 1521 HTML 001等于 To the Cave of Sinfoshan, Hard Mountain 002等于 To King Senchi, Happy Hard Pond 003等于 To the Registration Office 004等于 To Wang Jianguzong 1521 CHTML 005等于 201 Tribunal and Conversation with Jing Wang 006等于201 Tribunal Magic Mirror Pavilion 007等于201 Tribunal Bullatic Jingsuo Rehabilitation of Taoists, Monks and Nuns 008等于201 Tribunal 1 SI Chen, City of those who died on natural deaths. 009等于201 Tribunal, Continuing Tour of 1 SI Chen. 1521 DHTML. 010等于202 Tribunal, Touring the Second Tribunal. 011等于202 Tribunal, Order Pool in Hades. 012等于202 Tribunal, Hades of the Hungry Ghost. 013等于202 Tribunal, Nahi Chiao and Hades of Dancing. 014等于202 Tribunal, Hades of Coldness. 1521 HTML. 015等于203 Tribunal, Paying Respects to Song De Wang. 016等于203 Tribunal, The Prison of Scooped Eyes. 017等于203 Tribunal, Copper 斜线 Iron Knife Face, Scraping Prison. 018等于203 Tribunal, Hanging Upside Down Prison. 019等于 To the Office of Four Types of Reincarnation. 020等于 To the Office of Four Types of Reincarnation, Second Visit. 021等于 To the Office of Four Types of Reincarnation, Third Visit. 1521 FHTML. 022等于204 Tribunal, Meeting with Wu Wang. 023等于204 Tribunal, Prison of Forced Drinking of Medicine. 024等于204 Tribunal, Prison of Boiling Water. 025等于204 Tribunal, Mouth Piercing Prison. 026等于204 Tribunal, Severing of Sinews and Extracting of Hand, Bone Prison. 027等于204 Tribunal, Prison of Poisonous Bees. 028等于204 Tribunal, Prison of Poisonous Bees, Second. 029等于204 Tribunal, Prison of Poisonous Bees, Third. 1521克 HTML. 030等于205 Tribunal, Seeing Wang Xuantai and Paying Respects to San Luo Wang. 031等于205 Tribunal, San Luo Wang's Discourses on Heart Gouging. 032等于205 Tribunal, Again Visiting the Gouging Heart Prison. 033等于205 Tribunal, Again Revisiting the Gouging Heart Prison. 034等于205 Tribunal, Again 3rd Visit to the Gouging Heart Prison coinciding with the opening of the gates of Hades. 035等于205 Tribunal, Again 4th Visit to the Gouging Heart Prison. 1521 HTML. 036等于206 Tribunal, Interviewing Bian Chen Wang. 037等于206 Tribunal, The Small Prison Called Suffering Kidney and Rat Biting Prison. 038等于206 Tribunal, The Small Prison for Reckless Drivers of Motor Vehicles. 039等于206 Tribunal, Prison of Force Opening of Mouth to Insert Iron Pin. 040等于206 Tribunal, Barb Netting and Locust斜线 Leeches Small Prison. 041等于 To chant Wang Miao, City Temple of Hades, how souls of the dead are brought there. 1521 IHTML 042等于 207 Tribunal, interviewing Tai Shan Wang of the prison of Red Hot Bricks. 043等于 207 Tribunal, the head, Baking Small Prison. 044等于 207 Tribunal, Disembowel Small Prison. 045等于 207 Tribunal, Carrying Stone Slab on Head and Crutch, Walking Small Prison. 046等于 207 Tribunal, Boiling Oil Small Prison. 047等于 207 Tribunal, Pulling out tongue and piercing, cheek Small Prison. 1521 JHTML 048等于 208 Tribunal, interviewing Do Shi Wang. 049等于 208 Tribunal, meet Jam Small Prison. 050等于 208 Tribunal, the Small Prison for amputating limbs. 1521 KHTML 051等于 209 Tribunal, meeting Ping Dan Wang. 052等于 209 Tribunal, the prison of splashing boiling oil. 053等于 209 Tribunal, the red and purple venomous snakes prison. 054等于 209 Tribunal, A, by, die, the lowest hell in Buddhism from where there is no escape. 1521公升 HTML 055等于 20 Tribunal, visiting Wang Lu Wang. 056等于 20 Tribunal, visiting Wang Jisuo, Chant of Existence at Rebirth Office. 057等于 20 Tribunal, visiting Man POT. 058等于 20 Tribunal, visiting the 6 paths of metempsychosis. 059等于 20 Tribunal, visiting the common people as section for souls. 060等于 20 Tribunal, visiting Morality Center, Bureau of Reward for Good Souls, Bureau of Punishing the Evil. 061等于 20 Tribunal, the Dirty Blood Pound, and Eastern Peak Pavilion. 062等于 to descend Wang Pusa, and celebrating the completion of Dialogue. 加 041等于 English, Chinese word code Big 5. 042等于 English, Chinese word code JBK 斜线 JB. A hat. 加 AE. Back. Journeys to the Underworld, Dialogue, Publisher as Preface. 0AE. 星号 The purpose of rendering this book in the English language is to enable English educated people, especially of Chinese origin, to understand what happens to one's soul after death. If a percentage of readers can realize that it pays to do more good deeds when still alive, then our humble attempt is achieved. 星号 This is not a religious book in any sense, and in no way belittles any religion. Indeed, it encourages readers to continue practicing religious beliefs of their own choice. 星号 What the hell is Hades? Join us in Journeys to the Underworld. work and find out what awaits us there. 星号 the original version was in the Chinese language, but why should only Chinese educated readers benefit from it? Hence this English version, it is hoped that, eventually, versions in other languages will be published so that everyone can try to do more good than evil, then only will this world of ours be a better place to live in, hell will then be less crowded and paradise will receive the virtuous, like readers of this book, with doors wide open. 星号 this book is published for free distribution. The expenses for printing have been voluntarily met by individuals and organizations without any ulterior motive whatsoever. Our thanks are also directed to the scribes, translators, typists, proofreaders, printers, distributors, and everyone having a hand in launching and reading this book. Reprinting of this book for gratuitous distribution is welcome. 星号 this book was translated by Mr. Li Taichang, Li Des Hong. 星号 in 1982 The translation was completed in May 1985. Mr. Tan and Type, Chen Ying. 星号 lecturer at the Chinese Studies Department. University of Malaya Kuala Lumpur, edited the English translation twice. We wish to thank both of them for their excellent work. 星号 September 1987. 星号 Kuala Lumpur, in Malaysia, publisher 斜线A2 back Journeys to the Underworld, Introduction 附零 A2 星号 This book, in Chinese style Yuji, was originally issued in the Chinese language and was the result of the deity Ji Gong bringing the soul of Mr. Yan Shen, a leading planchette handler of Shenzhen, Taiwan, to visit on instructions of the Jade Emperor, Yu Huangba. The Jade was issued on the 15th day in 8th moon, 8th September 1976, with the express intention of helping and saving human beings. 星号 The visits were completed in 62 journeys, the first being made on the 16th day of the 8th moon, 9th September 1976, and the last on the 26th day the 8th moon, 30th July 1978. 星号 The details and conversations of each journey were written in Chinese characters on the planchette board during each planchette session held in Shenzhen. The words were read aloud and recorded on paper for compilation, a very tedious and time-consuming process. The visits were generally made at night time. 星号 Because this is not a storybook where the chapters must be read in sequence, each journey is complete in itself, not interconnected, therefore, narratives of the journeys can be read in any order. 星号 As this book is intended to benefit as many people as possible, it is somewhat selfish to read it alone and silently, therefore, in order that more people can appreciate, understand and benefit thereby, family group reading sessions are recommended, each person taking turns to read out, because it is accepted that silent reading is enjoyed only by the individuals, whereas reading out can be heard by others and easily remembered. Going to hell, go alone, but when taking journeys to the underworld, like reading this book, go in a group, the more the merrier. 星号 February 1987. 星号 Kuala Lumpur Li Type Chang A3 back Journeys to the Underworld, outline of the book 附零 A3. 星号 Given by Jing Ou Izumi. 星号 on 13th day of 4th moon in 1978 19th May 1978 This book Dialogue was written according to the directive of Yu Wang Batingsun. The language is very simple but has profound meaning. This book serves ascetic practitioners as well as those who have the intention of leading good and meaningful lives. Or if any mistake is found in the book, it is due to oversight. It should not be the reason to belittle this book. Said this book is the fruits of 2 years of hard work put in by saints and human beings, and it reveals some of the secrets of Hades, the laws, regulations, and extent of punishment there are now made known to human beings. This is a sort of alarm bell to warn and help everyone. I hope you will read it patiently. In this way you can understand and eventually evaluate the contents of this book. This book is the result of combined efforts of heaven, Hades, and human beings on earth. Its merits are equally shared. The following categories of people will also earn merits: those who print the book for distribution, irrespective of whether they help to print, whether they ask people to defray the cost, whether they read the book and explain the benefits to others, whether they help to distribute the book. They will have the extent of their releases reduced if they have already accumulated full merits earlier than after death. Their souls will ascend to heaven. Those who pray for long life, honor, and rank, guide recovery from sickness, cancellation of their earlier sins or wrongdoings, cultivation of morality, the relief of souls from suffering, Mississippi in the next world, will have their prayers answered if they contribute in printing or distributing their book are stated in rule above. All such people should pray with just sticks and explain to the God of Kingship, or in the temple, or to heaven. Their desires and the good spirits will then recompense. See where this book is placed, there will be good spirits. Therefore, make sure that it is kept in a clean and respectable place. Those who slander and slight this book, or obstruct its circulation, 斜线 distribution, will eventually be sent down to Hades for punishment. There will be no mercy. It is hoped that all human beings will think positively and will do good wherever and whenever possible. 斜线 will eventually be sent down to Hades for punishment. There will be no mercy. It is hoped that all human beings will think positively and will do good wherever and whenever possible. 斜线加 S back. Journeys to the underworld, JD 负零 S. 星号 YU1DHNCHUN has instructed that this directive is about to be issued. He has commanded the god of city to travel miles to wait, and the god of luck to travel 10 miles also to wait for his arrival. All of you must line up quietly to wait for his arrival. 星号 GQNEISPN descends from heaven. 星号 tonight I will read the directive to all of you. All saints and human beings must pay respect. 星号 U1 a Tianzun as directive states. 星号 I in heaven have the intention of helping and saving human beings, and from my place in heaven, looking towards earth, the space appears to be filled with yellow dust. The moral obligations of human beings have been lost or thrown away. 星号 males do not possess the sense of loyalty and filial piety, while females have lost integrity, chastity, and purity. All seem to think and say that there are no Buddhas, and since they do not believe in the existence of spirits and devils, that is why nowadays the morals of society have eroded. 星号 so human sympathy and justice have been ruined. Looking at the prevailing decadence of humanity, 星号 I am greatly distressed, and seeing that the souls of most of the dead have been sent to Hades to undergo more sufferings, I am most eager to give whatever assistance I can to save human beings. My investigations reveal that the organization Shenxian Ten is very active in trying to save human beings. 星号 it devotes a great deal of effort and time for deities as well as its members in an effort to be of service to human beings. 星号 this organization has published a magazine known as Shenxian Zazi, which has helped many readers' hearts to follow the correct path. Its planchette writing sessions have progressed immensely. All these actions and intentions have helped very much in the furtherance of the sacred doctrine, which have now gained great brilliance. 星号 that is why I have chosen to give the edict to Shenxian Ten to write the book entitled Dialogy, by commissioning Ji Gong to guide Yan Shen Fo to the 10 tribunals of Hades in order to observe and gather the happenings there so as to disclose to human beings. 星号 through the book so that they can realize the extent of punishment and sufferings of sinful souls in Hades, should make those living to endeavor to lead a better and meaningful life. 星号 this book will be a most unusual kind of book, and believe that Shenxian Ten and its members are very sincere in their attempt towards human salvation. 星号 I have chosen them for this assignment to try and save humanity. I have already directed the heads of the 10 tribunals that when Ji, Tong and Yan Shen come to their respective tribunals, the gates must be opened for the men. They should be given even facility and assistance should any tribunal disobey or refuse to cooperate. 星号 I will not hesitate to punish, much less to forgive the offending tribunal the moment I issue this edict. Your planchette sessions will commence and will stop only when all material for the book has been gathered from Hades. All of you have worked hard for heaven, and after the book has been completed, published, distributed and circulated,星号 I will assess the results and then dish out the awards and rewards. All of you must follow my instructions and must in no way deviate from the 星号 dated 15th day of 8th September 1976. All of us must thank the merciful kindness of you Wang Tianzu for issuing the above edict 斜线 back 加 CC back ahead original book 等于 Chinese language translated by 等于 Mr. Li Tai-Chang Li Des Hong and Mr. Tan and Tai Chen Ying. Book as name 等于 Journey to the Underworld. Published by 等于 Dijiang Yanxi, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Printed by 等于 Persetakan Benten JR 40 Tawang Kado 52100 Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Public matter 等于 copy, please, correct, please, translate, please. Type 的 D 公里 YY 等于1976年9月9日至30年6月19日7时8。Place 等于 Underworld 斜线 Hades 斜線 Tribunal 斜线 Hell 斜线的 U 斜线。Original make 等于 Shen Xian Magazine No 61年1月Zhou Southland 40427 North District Taichung Taiwan Tel 反斜线 Fax 04 2323764反斜线2350348给 Books Chinese and English Leader God 等于 Zhai Gong 等于 G 公斜线 Yan Zhi on Journey No 30 only Visitor Soul 等于 Yan Shen 等于 Mr. Yan Post to No 39年1月 Qingdao Road Section 4 Tai Shang Tai Wang Faxer God 等于 Tong Ci 等于 Holy Child Yusu Tong Ci Chinese word 等于 If you see Chinese go to 0C1 or 0C2 Member 等于 600K Back 加 Back home Registration The Cave of Sinful Shen Hard Mountain Qingxinchi Happy Hard Pond The Registration Office Wangjianguzong 加 加加加加01 back journey no 一负001 to the cave of sinful Shen, hard mountain, Dragon 2K. Medium of Shen's Yuan Fe, Nan Yan Shen, to visit the cave of sinful Shen. 8th Moon 16th Day 9th September 1976 G. Gong. Tonight we are going to the cave of sinful Shen. Would you like to follow me? Mr. Yan, I am much obliged and I wish to thank you from the bottom of my heart for giving me the opportunity to visit the cave. G. Gong, because of your good and charitable works in Shen's Yuan Fe, the Jade Emperor in heaven, Yu Huang, has chosen you to tour hell so that when you return to earth you can write a book on what you have seen for distribution to human beings so that they can do good deeds. Mr. Yan, I thank you again for choosing me for the honor. I understand that souls of the dead visiting hell ride on heavenly horses or sit on platforms of lotus flowers. G. Gong Yan Shen, you are very naive. The road to hell is not so pleasant and easy as you imagine. There is no gateway to hell, and so the souls will have to encounter and overcome many obstacles and hardships before they can reach there. Mr. Yan, Master, I am afraid you have taken too much wine and have got drunk to say such things. G. Gong, yes, I have drunk too much because seeing that humanity have now committed many sins, I purposely drink a lot in order to forget their mistakes and evil doings. Now will you join me to drink some more? Mr. Yan, Master, I cannot drink, and so please do not tease me. G. Gong, well, let us not waste time, we will make the journey. I will transform a lotus flower into a platform and both of us can travel in it and we will tour hell. Mr. Yan, I am much surprised your magical powers are so great that by just saying a few prayers you have produced a lotus flower. I dare not step on the lotus flower platform because my feet are so dirty. G. Gong, do not worry about your feet being dirty if your heart is pure and clean. That is what we want. Do you know that the lotus grow in ponds which are not clean, and yet the lotus flower is very clean? Mr. Yan, well then I will follow what you say and will sit on the lotus flower platform. But which direction shall we go? G. Gong, there is nothing to worry, just close your eyes and I will bring you there. Mr. Yan, I will follow you obediently. G. Gong, now open your eyes. Mr. Yan, oh, where is this place? Oh, I see a high mountain, and at the side are 3 shining golden letters, Sinful Shen. Ji Gong, you do not know the name of this mountain is Zinfoshan, and if you climb up to the top you will reach the gate of Tian. However, you can also see that on the side of this mountain there is a cave which is very dark and it is bottomless. This is the cave of Hell Dai Dong. In the olden days the saints said that the heart controls a person, i.e. your heart can tell you to do good or to do evil. If one does good, the soul will go to heaven, but if one does evil, the soul will surely be sent to hell. It all depends upon yourself, to do good or to do evil. Mr. Yan, oh, I see. Therefore one can choose to go to heaven or to hell according to one's own actions. This then means that we can be either immortal or ghost. Ji Gong, very true. You have said it well. Time is running short for tonight's visit, and so we have to climb back onto the lotus flower platform to bring us back to earth. Mr. Yan, Master, I will follow your instructions. Ji Gong, weakly close your eyes because the wind here is very strong. Mr. Yan, yes, I agree. I cannot stand this strong wind. Ji Gong, now we have reached Earth. Open your eyes and get down from this lotus flower. Your soul will now return to your body. 斜线加02 back journey no 2负002 touring Kingston Chi Happy Heart Pump 8th Moon 19th Day 12th September 1976 Ji Gong, Yan Shen, are you ready to tour Kingston Chi in the underworld? Mr. Yan, my dear master, I have just returned from San Juan in Taiwan and am feeling very tired. Can we postpone this tour to tomorrow? Ji Gong, you are very lazy. Being a holy man, you should be able to endure any inconvenience and hardship. How can one expect you to do more good deeds? Mr. Yan, I am very sorry, Master, that being the case, I have now made up my mind to follow you. Ji Gong, very well. Now quickly climb up to the platform of the lotus flower and close your eyes. Now open your eyes and get down from the platform. Mr. Yan, dear master, why do you bring me to this place today? I see a very big pond. The water is so clear that I can even see its bottom. I also see 3 words floating at the surface of the water. Kingston Chi. Ji Gong. During the first journey a few days ago, I took you to the cave of Zinfoshan, and because you have human eyes, you could see very little, so now I bring you to this pond, Kingston Chen, to wash your eyes so that you will be able to see clearly like the heavenly spirits. Mr. Yan, it is autumn now and the water of the pond is so cold that I am afraid to dig in it for fear of catching cold? G. Gong, you want to visit the underworld and yet you are afraid of the cold. Nevertheless, I have to push you into the pond. Mr. Yan, help me dear master, I do not know how to swim, you are drowning me, please help me. G. Gong, I want the water to clean your mind as well as your heart. After Ji Gong had pushed Yan Shen into the pond, the officer in charge of the pond approached Ji Gong and said, Officer, I salute you. Ji Gong, I respectfully apologize for inquiring about this incident. Just now I saw you pushing a man into this pond. I do not know for what reason. Ji Gong, officer, you do not know that on Earth many human beings are committing much evil and sinful deeds. Their original good nature has been lost, and by pushing this human being into this pond, the water in it will clean his mind and heart, and then he can regain his original good nature. Officer, very well, because of your explanation I will pull him out. Ji Gong, quick, please pull him out before he sinks to the bottom of the pond. Officer, I have now rescued him, but he is not breathing. How can you bring him back to life? Ji Gong, this is just a small matter. His evil life has died. With his fall into the pond, I will now pass this magic fan over his body, and you will soon see that he will come back to life again. Officer, look. He is opening his eyes. Mr. Yan, dear master, why did you push me into the pond? Ji Gong, at first all human beings do not feel like doing good deeds, but after some persuasion they generally will do good. I have no time to reason with you now. Mr. Yan, I thank you very much for teaching me. I now feel like a person reborn. By the way, who is this third person? Ji Gong, he is the officer in charge of this pond, and his duty is to see that no person bathes in it except heavenly spirits. You are indeed very lucky to have bathed in this pond. Officer Ji Gong, why did you bring this person here? Ji Gong, this person Yan Shen is a righteous medium of the Temple Shenxian Ten of Taiwan. The Jade Emperor of Heaven has specially chosen him to make this journey and write a book to be called Journeys to the Underworld, so that human beings on earth who are very sinful and evil can read it. They should then repent and try to do good deeds. I have been given the job of conducting this person Yan Shen as so forth this journey, because he is just a human being. His eyes cannot see so many things as heavenly spirits can. That is why I have to push him into this pond in order to wash away any of his earthly things and be reborn so that what the heavenly spirits can see, he also can see. Officer, oh, I am sorry, I did not know the true reason of your action in pushing him into the pond. Ji Gong, time is running out. Yan Shen, we must continue with our tour, so goodbye. Officer Yan Shen quickly climbed up the platform of the lotus flower. Mr. Yan, my dear master, where are we going now? Ji Gong, no need to ask any question when we arrive, then you will know. Therefore, quickly close your eyes now, open your eyes and get down from the platform. Mr. Yan, where is this place which is so windy and full of sand and dust blowing strongly about and making walking unsteady? Ji Gong, this place is called Human Xie Devil Territory. Mr. Yan, oh here I see coming from one direction so many beings all crying. Ji Gong, you do not know, these are the souls of the newly dead persons who have just arrived into the underworld. Mr. Yan, I see before me, high up, a board having 3 words. Yin Yan Ji, what is this place? Ji Gong, this place is called Yin Yan Ji. Mr. Yan, I also see 2 rows of tall towers. Let us visit the place. Ji Gong, of course we will go there and see. Mr. Yan, at the entrance of one of the towers there are 3 characters, registration office, and there are a number of separate departments. Ji Gong, let us proceed. This records registration offices under the charge of a records registration officer. Officer, welcome. Ji Gong, I see you have brought along Yan Shen here on the 8th day I received imperial edict from the Jade Emperor of Heaven that Ji Gong would soon be bringing Yan Shen of Shenxian to tour this place, and then return to Earth to write a book on what he had seen. Ji Gong, the time has now come for us to return to Earth, but we will come back and see you on our next visit. Officer, you are welcome. Goodbye. Ji Gong, Yan Shen, we have to return quickly to Earth. Get out of here, climb up the lotus platform and close your eyes. Mr. Yan, yes, I will obey your instructions. Ji Gong, we have now returned to Shenxian Yan Shen. Now open your eyes and get down. Your soul can return to your body. 03 back. Journey No 3/003. Touring the registration office. 8th Moon 23 RD 16th September 1976. Ji Gong, Yan Shen, are you prepared to tour the underworld? Mr. Yan, I will follow you, master. I have now climbed up the platform of the lotus flower and have also closed my eyes. Ji Gong, proceed, we have arrived, you can alight now. Mr. Yan, why are there so many people on the road and in such confusion? I see they are human beings and are crying. Why are they here? Ji Gong, this place is Yin Yan Ji. All these people are the souls of those human beings who have just died. The souls have to come here to account for their actions on earth. Please do not ask me so many questions. I will bring you to the registration officer and you can ask him as many questions as you like and he will reply. Ji Gong and Yan Shan, on entering the registration office, went to see the registrar. Register, welcome, Ji Gong and Yan Shan, on your previous visit. You were running out of time and had to leave in a hurry and so I could not entertain you. I now extend to you both a very warm welcome and I will be only too pleased to answer any question Yan Shan wishes to ask. Mr. Yan, thank you. Registrar, can I ask what kind of place is this Yin Yan Ji? Registrar, Yin Yan Ji is the sorting out place of Yin and Yan, where the souls of all dead human beings must come first to report their arrival. When a human being dies, his earthly record of actions and deeds is transferred to the underworld registration office for immediate inspection. If during his lifetime on earth he did more good deeds than evil deeds, his soul would be sent to an officer in charge of the good souls department to a heaven. But if he did more evil deeds than good deeds, his soul would be taken care of by an officer in charge of the evil souls department to undergo appropriate punishment and hell as first stage. Note C. Journey Note E. When Yan Shan was introduced to the cave of hell, Mr. Yan, to come to another question, actually how many stages of existence has a human being? Register, human beings actually have three original forms of existence. The first one in heaven, the second on earth, and the third in hell. On earth he goes through the process of living his life doing good or evil as the case may be. Therefore, in his lifetime on earth, if he did many good deeds, his soul will go to heaven, but if he led an evil and sinful life, his soul will be sent to hell, which is like a prison, and he will be punished for all his sins committed when alive. Mr. Yan, another question please. When a human being on earth dies, his relatives burn silver just paper, cold feet paper, and light oil lamps, cold feet lamps. What is the actual meaning of these kinds of practice? Register, when a human being dies, his soul is much confused, so his relatives burn silver just paper in the hope that his Soul can use the silver just paper as money to buy his way about, and I like the lamps in the hope that the soul's path may be brightened. In fact, there is no need for the silver, just paper or oil lamps, because if the dead person in his lifetime did good deeds, his soul would be sent to the heavenly path, and if he did evil deeds, his soul would be sent to the path that leads to hell. Mr. Yan, in this present world there are so many modern and scientific equipment available to human beings. When a person dies, his relatives make paper houses, motor cars, radio and TV sets, sofas, spring mattresses and beds, and many other modern implements to burn for him. Thus the dead person's soul actually receive such things, and are these of any use in the underworld? Registered human beings living on earth are very simple-minded and stupid, and are like small children. Just think. Firstly, does the soul have a license to drive a motor car in the underworld? Secondly, the roads there are narrow and rugged and are not safe for driving. Thirdly, there are no petrol or gas stations. Regarding electric fans, spring mattresses and beds, although these are useful on earth, they are not required in the underworld, because platforms and wooden bunks are already provided. Their soul should be thankful if there is some orderliness in the place, and should not expect to be comfortable and enjoyable. If a person had led an evil and sinful life on earth, how can he expect to use such articles in the underworld, when he will surely be sent to hell to undergo punishment for his sins? Human beings on earth do not understand the conditions here, and are just dreaming that what is useful on earth is also useful in the underworld. Mr. Yan, Master, during the first visit to the underworld, I saw Xin Fo Shen, and now here is Yin Yan Ji. I am very confused. Alright, I will now bring you to Xin Fo Shen Registrar. We are leaving, and so goodbye. Registrar, in case I fail to entertain you properly, I beg your pardon. Please do not stand on ceremony. Mr. Yan, Registrar, on my part I thank you very much for answering so fully my various questions. I now take leave of you, Master. Just now you mentioned about Xin Fo Shen and Yin Yan Ji. Please give some more information about the the first journey we went to Xin Fo Shen. We are there now. Mr. Yan, WA. The words Xin Fo Shen are clearly in front of me. Why is it that the words Yin Yan Ji have suddenly disappeared? Because human beings on earth do more evil deeds than good deeds. Xin Fo Shen is really Yin Yan Jin when a human Being dies, the soul is brought here by the fierce devils of the underworld. The soul is in a dirty condition, and when the eyes are dazed by the brightness of the thought of sin and shame, the soul suddenly falls to the foot of sinful shame, where there is a dark and bottomless cave which is called Wu Di Dong, connected by a road to Yin Yang Ji. If a very righteous and good soul arrives at sinful shame, the top of the mountain changes into a big road, and there are guardian angels waiting to receive him. Or if the dead person had been an average person and had done a fair amount of good deeds, a guardian spirit will lead his soul to Yin Yang Ji by means of a 20-foot road at the side of the mountain. At Yin Yang Ji, the guiding spirit will bring the soul to report to Ling Wang, who will inspect the records of his good as well as his evil deeds whilst on earth. See how after the records have been inspected and weighed, Ling Wang will issue either of the following awards. 星号 A. If the dead person was generally a good person whilst on earth, Ming Wang will direct a heavenly spirit to conduct the soul to Zhu Shan Su, where the soul is left to train himself for perfection. 星号 B. If the dead person was average, neither too good nor too evil whilst on earth, the soul will be placed under the charge of a heavenly spirit to undergo further training and improvement. 星号 Well, Yan Shen, there is not much time left, so we must return to Shenxian Ten. Mr. Yan, as you have ordered, Master, I have already climbed up the lotus flower platform and closed my eyes. Ji Gong, we have now arrived at Shenxian Ten. Yan Shen, quickly open your eyes and get out. Your soul will now re-enter your body. 加 04 Back Journey No 4负004 Touring 1 Jiaguzo 8th Moon 26th Day 19th September 1976 G. Gong. Today we will again journey to the underworld. Therefore Yan Shen quickly climbed up to the lotus platform. Mr. Yan, I obey your instructions, Master. I am now securely seated on the lotus flower platform and am ready to proceed. Ji Gong, well, we have arrived. Quickly descend from the platform. Mr. Yan, I see that before me there is a gate of a fort with the words Yin and Lian, gate to devil as home. In fact, Yin Man Wang is here, but why is it that the door is shut and yet I can hear a lot of disorderly voices coming from within? Ji Gong, this door is never open, but the souls of the dead manage to enter into this hole. But you see, I will wave my fan and the door will automatically open. Mr. Yan, oh, how wonderful, my respectful master, you have such powers that by just waving your fan and the door opens immediately, but the souls of human beings do not have things like yours. How then do they manage to enter? G. Gong. When a human being dies, he becomes a ghost when on Earth the body can walk about on the roads, but after death he becomes a devil, and on reaching Kuyimen Wang the gate automatically opens for his soul to enter when a person is alive. The door offers is open, and when he dies, the door of Earth is closed, and the door of Kuyimen Wang is open for his soul to enter. This is one of the wonders of nature. Now walk faster, I will take you to another place. Mr. Yan has you in stride, but I can still hear a lot of noise coming from inside Kuyimen Wang like a marketplace. I don't know what the souls inside there are doing. The souls are waiting to be escorted to the 10 tribunals for the various stages of trials for what they had done whilst on earth. Now the soldiers of hell are bringing them there today. We are not going to see this, so follow me quickly. Mr. Yan, yes, why is this road so rugged? Actually, where are we going? G. Gong. After walking 2 miles, then you will know. Mr. Yan, in front of us, I see a soul being led by a soldier of hell. Where is he going? G. Gong. When this person was alive on earth, he was a religious man, staying in a temple, but he was not very truly pious because he often belittled other religions except his own. Now that he is dead, his soul is being led to hell to be tried. Mr. Yan, in front of us is a pavilion. There are 4 characters. Wang Jiaguzong. What is this place? G. Gong. At the present time on earth, there are many religious faiths, but the various followers of one faith are always attacking the religious beliefs of other faiths, thus causing the meaning of true ascetic practices to be lost. People are very evil in speech, and so when they die, their souls are brought to Wang Jiaguzong to undergo further indoctrination and instruction in the correct path. In front of us is a master coming. Yan Shen quickly approached him and pay your respects. Mr. Yan, I humbly pay my respects to you, Master. Master, welcome Ji Gong and Yan Shen of Shenzhen Temple have arrived here today. Earlier we had received news of your visitor. Yan Shen, do not stand on ceremony. Ji Gong, today I bring Yan Shen here in the hope that you, Master, will kindly show him this place and explain to him. Master, please follow me to the hall inside. Please be seated. Mr. Yan, Wang Jiaguzong has a good meaning, but its function is not known to me. I beg you, Master, to come explain the meaning to me.
他头要看膝盖。
Master, there are 5 main important religions in the world, i.e. Taoism 2, Islam 3, Confucianism 4, Christianity and 5, Buddhism. These are the true religions. Having the right path, Tao as the source originally there was only one religion, but eventually heaven sent down the various sages to teach human beings throughout the world the true religious beliefs. After the death of these sages, the followers of one sage competed with the followers of the other sages to claim that one particular religion is better than any other religions. Now you see this soul being led by the soldiers of hell after the death of that person. His soul is lost here. The Jade Emperor is very hearted. He does not want to see souls suffer. That is why the office of Wang Jianzhou is established, so that the souls of religious people are brought here to undergo further indoctrination and instruction. Ji Gong, Master, what you have said is very true, but Yan Shen here does not understand if he is wrong. Yan Shen, what you have said, it will be better because hearing is wrong. Seeing and seeing is much better and will remain in the memory. Master, right, then follow me. Mr. Yan, oh, this hole is so large it covers so many hundred. Now, Chinese equivalent of an acre, and looks like a very big classroom with millions of people waiting for their teacher to come. Master, yes, they are like students. Please follow me and we will occupy some of the seats reserved for distinguished visitors. Mr. Yan, the stage is so big that we have never seen one like this on earth. In front of us there is a blackboard which reads Wang Jiangun, so I see a lecturer getting up onto the stage. He looks like a Buddha or holy man. All the students stand up to show their respect. Lecture, today we have a visitor from Earth named Yan Shen Shen, Yan Shen for short, of Shenzhen, Taiwan, China. Let us all clap hands as a sign of welcome. Mr. Yan, Master, how can all of these students understand the lecturer who speaks in Chinese? Ji Gong, the world is so large that there are so many races with so many faiths, but when human beings die, their souls become enlightened and they can understand any language. Like when one sees lightning flashing, it is sure to be followed by thunder. Therefore, when they hear the lecturer speak, all of them know the meaning of what he is saying. Please do not ask so many questions. Let us concentrate on the lecturer's speech. Lecture, there are many kinds of human beings, but their hearts are the same. They are born in various parts of the earth, but When they eventually die, all of them will gather in one place. The underworld, there are human beings of various colors and races. When hungry, all want to eat, and when tired, all will want to sleep or rest. Above our heads there is the sky, and under our feet there is the earth, the sun and the moon shine. On everything, everywhere, human beings, animals and plants all enjoy the effects and benefits of the sun and the moon in He world. There are many religions, each one attacking the other, saying that only their followers will go to heaven, while the followers of other religions will go to hell. Religious people who belittle other religions hope to go to heaven when they die, but instead they will be suspended halfway, neither in heaven nor in hell, like a caged bird being hung up halfway. These people think they are already in heaven, but in fact they are in hell. 幸好 they are sinful and cannot save themselves, but must depend on others to save them. When all of you were alive on earth, each and every one of you expected to go to heaven after death. But actually all of you have now fallen into hell. When on earth, all your bodies were of various colors, black, white, brown, red, yellow, etc. But after death, only your souls come here. After death, the bodies with various colors do not come here to hell. The bodies of various colors are left behind, but the heart or souls of only one color come here. When living, you attacked each other and had no love for each other. Therefore, where is this meaning of universal love and mercy? 幸好 from the beginning of time up to now, the sun and the moon have been shining on all human beings, both good and evil. They will continue to shine on everyone, so that their blessings will be on this and future generations, irrespective of whether they are good or evil. Therefore, ladies and gentlemen, all your souls here must be aroused and must have only one heart to work as one body, and must not attack each other. 幸好 now you must spread the teaching of Wang Jian. Guizhou means one heart. All hearts must become one heart, and must work towards mutual help and love for each other. All religions have doors wide open to admit those who believe in any particular religion. Although the founders are different, the ultimate aim is the same: to teach all to do good. I hope all human beings will follow this true path, so that the troubled world can become happy and peaceful. All the founders of the main religions want to raise the souls of human beings, but not their bodies. If all of you can first discover your own innermost hearts and avoid evil doings, only then can you attain happiness, leading eventually to the creation of a united and happy world. Everybody can then become sage like and attain wisdom, otherwise they will fall into hell to undergo another transmigration of soul. Ji Gong, time is up. Yan Shen, say goodbye to Master. We will come on another visit when there is an opportunity. Yan Shen, please pay your respects. Mr. Yan, Master, I am very sorry, time is limited and we have to return to Shanxian, although the lecture is not finished. Please excuse me for this lack of courtesy. Master, never mind, we will escort you out. Ji Gong, Yan Shen, climb up the lotus flower platform. Having heard the lecture today, what are your impressions? Mr. Yan, there is profound meaning in the lecture on earth. Every religion is attacking each other, like the melon seller, claiming that only his melon is sweet. The best thing is for the customer to taste the fruit himself to find out it is. Also, like a person who drinks water, he alone only knows whether the water is hot or cold. On drinking, it is best left to the customer to decide what is good or what is bad for him. Then only it is fair. Ji Gong, human beings always hold fast to their own wrong beliefs and will not listen to persuasion, therefore they cannot go to heaven. Fairies and sages are the mouthpieces of heaven, and therefore they are very fair in future. If you are reborn in another country and believe in the religion of that country, do not think that Ji Gong will not come to your assistance when required. Then only will others know that I am a sage. This means that I am not selfish. I hope that human beings will discard their selfishness and cultivate public spiritedness, otherwise their heaven is only 5 feet wide. How many people can such a 5-foot wide heaven contain? Xinhao. Okay, we have now arrived at Shanxian. Yan Shen, get down from the lotus flower platform. Your soul will return to your body. Back. Jia. 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 Back home. Lingyi Tribunal. Lingyi Tribunal and conversation with Qin Wang Wang. Lingyi Tribunal, Magic Mirror Pavilion. Bulating Jinsuo, rehabilitation of Taoists, monks and nuns. Wang Si Chen, city of those who died unnatural deaths. Lingyi Tribunal, continuing tour of Wang Si Chen. Jia. 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 05 Back. Journey No 5负005 Touring the first tribunal and conversation with Qin Wang Wang, Qin JW 8th Moon 29th Day 22 ND September 1976 Ji Gong Yan Shen. Today we will tour the underworld. I observe that you are not at ease. Mr. Yan, you do not know, Ji Gong. I have many problems which I have not been able to solve. that is why I am not very at ease. Ji Gong, if you are not very steady in the head, it is very difficult to tour the underworld if today you do not feel like touring the underworld. It will cause delay in the preparation of this book. I will now give you a pill called DXIN1, which when swallowed will calm down your mind. Mr. Yan, thank you, dear master. I have swallowed the pill and now feel that my mind and heart are more steady. Ji Gong, then quickly climb up to the lotus flower platform, and we will proceed. We have now arrived. Mr. Yan, where is this place? In front of us is a big pavilion with many people, but I cannot see very clearly. Ji Gong, this is hell as first tribunal. Let us go quickly to pay our respects to the head of this first tribunal, whose name is Qin Wang Wang. Qin JW Mahao, welcome, welcome Ji Gong and Yan Shen. I am glad that you have come today. Mr. Yan, I must apologize to you, Qin Wang Wang, for coming here with Ji Gong to bother you. Please excuse me. Qin JW Mahao, no need to apologize. Just follow me. Please be seated. In the reception room, I will ask my general to prepare the heaven IVT. General, yes, I will prepare the tea. Qin JW Mahao, Ji Gong and Yan Shen, please drink the tea. Ji Gong, Yan Shen, please do not hesitate. Drink the tea quickly. Mr. Yan, I am afraid to drink the tea because I have heard that if a human being drinks the tea, his soul cannot return to earth. Therefore, please both of you drink the tea. Qin JW Mahao, Yan Shen, you are mistaken. What you have heard is all wrong. Human beings are afraid that if they eat or drink anything of the underworld, their souls cannot return to earth. But you must know that you are a distinguished visitor on heavenly orders to visit the underworld with Ji Gong. Therefore, there should be no fear that you cannot return to earth if you drink the tea. Ji Gong, Yan Shen, let your mind be at ease. You have a jade amulet with you, and if any devil comes to disturb you, this jade amulet will protect you and punish the devil. Therefore, be brave and drink the tea. Qin JW Mahao, human beings on earth are very fearful of death and want to continue living. In your case, Yan Shen, you are afraid of death and therefore do not want to drink the tea. I quite understand the situation, and so you are excused. In the world there are many people who know that certain deeds are bad and evil, and yet they purposely perform these deeds with their eyes open. They therefore do not deserve any pity. Mr. Yan, after your assurance, I have now drunk the tea. May I ask Ji Wang Wang, why are there so many people gathering outside what is the reason? JW how I am in charge of the first tribunal when a human being dies, his soul is first sent to Yin Yang to report. The soldiers of hell then bring his soul to my place with his record file to be placed in the cabinet for me to investigate. If he had done more good deeds or more bad deeds, if he had done more good deeds, his soul will be conducted to visit the other tribunals, or be brought to more heavenly places for ascetic practices. But if it is found that he had committed more evil deeds, the soldiers of hell will bring him to the second tribunal to be tried. If he had done many evil deeds, he will be brought to Nijing Tai, a reflecting mirror, which shows all the evil deeds that one had done on earth, as a proof to him of his evil deeds. Mr. Yan, all the souls are crying outside, young and old, men and women and children, all crying, why is this so? JW how when human beings were alive, they never thought of doing good, they never believed in punishment for wrong deeds. They never believed in retribution after death. They thought that everything would be forgotten as soon as they died. These are misconceptions. Now after death their souls realize that they will have to pay dearly for their sins, and they will be punished for every evil deed done on earth. The reason why the souls are crying outside is because they now realize and regret that they have to be punished for their past evil deeds on earth. Another reason why they cry is because they realize that they have left their beloved ones and family behind, and also they cannot bring with them their worldly property after death. They come here alone, empty-handed, to answer for every one of their past evil deeds. Mr. Yan, I see the soldiers of hell are very cruel. They use their spears to poke at the souls and also use whips to thrash them. They are so unkind to the souls who appear to be very frightened, and dare not retaliate. JW how the souls when on earth were very sinful and performed evil deeds, and therefore the soldiers of hell have no pity when dealing with such souls. This is called well-deserved punishment if a person does good deeds on earth. When he dies, the soldiers of hell and the God of happiness will show him great respect. If a human being does evil on earth, he will have to repay for his sins. Therefore, Yan Shen, do not worry about them. Mr. Yan, I understand now. If the future generation of human beings on earth know that they will be punished for every sin they do, they will be wise and try to do good deeds whenever they can. With this knowledge, the future generation will of course try to do good in the hope that their good deeds will help to lighten the suffering of their dead forefathers who had done evil previously. G. Gong. If a human being does evil on earth, his evil deeds will cause more sufferings to his dead forebears in Hades. This is called causal relations. In short, if one does good on earth, his dead relatives in Hades will benefit, but if he does evil, his dead relatives in Hades will suffer. Yan Shen, time is up, so let us return to Shen Xuan Ten. Qin JW 冒号 I will escort you. G. Gong. Yan Shen quickly get up on the lotus flower platform. We have arrived at Shen Xuan Ten. Yan Shen, get down, your soul will return to your body. 06 Back. Journey No 6-006. Touring the Magic Mirror Pavilion. Intercalary 8th Moon 6th Day 29th September 1976. G. Gong. The time has now come for us to tour the underworld. Again, Yan Shen, please be prepared to go. Mr. Yan. Yes, Master, I am ready, let us proceed. G. Gong. We have now arrived. Quickly get down off the lotus flower platform. Mr. Yan, where is this place that we have arrived? I see such a big crowd here. The soldiers of hell hold so many people in custody, ushering them to the pavilion. G. Gong. This place is called the Magic Mirror Pavilion. When these people were alive, they did many evil deeds and had no morality. Now that they are dead, their souls have to report to the first tribunal, then they are brought here to this
三敖星法主讲者吴敬妙翻译者
Mr. Jerome William McCarthy Index
目录
Chapter 1 Why are they congratulating me on receiving the Tao?
第1章为什么他们恭喜我求得天道
Chapter 2 What is the Tao?
第2章蛇魔是道
Chapter 3 What are these three treasures?
第3章何谓三宝
Chapter 4 Why do the introducer and the sponsor take an oath at the altar?
第4章为什么引宝要立愿
Chapter 5 Why I should take an oath before receiving the Tao?
第5章为什么要立求道愿
Chapter 6 How to save human beings.
第6章如何求度众生
Chapter 1 Why are they congratulating me on receiving the Tao? Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to extend my heartiest congratulations to you, for this is your most auspicious day. Today you have received the Tao, which is the ultimate aim of existence. All of the Buddhas and saints attained the Tao in the past, and by transcending the limitations of birth and death, had become immortal. That which you have received today is the same Tao. Formerly, one who intended to receive the Tao had to abandon worldly possessions and enjoyments. If he was a king, he had to abandon his kingdom. If he was a high official, he had to resign his high position, leave his family and go to the remote mountains to to seek a master who would transmit the Tao to him. After much suffering he would gradually perfect his conduct, purify his mind and heart and perform many good deeds. For his sincerity, God would send Buddha to transmit the Tao to him. Under such conditions a person able to succeed was hard to find. During that period the Tao was secretly transmitted from one patriarch to another.
第1章，为什么他们恭喜我求得天道？各位先生、太太、小姐，首先让我衷心的恭喜你们，因为今天是你们大喜的日子。今天你们得了道，道是至宝，道超出了一切。每一位古圣先贤佛祖皆于古代求得天道，故他们能超出生死之界限而永存。今天你们所得的道即同他们其实所得的道一样。在古时，人要得到必须弃他在世界上所拥有之一切与享受。假如他是一位皇帝，也必须弃他的江山；假如他是一位大，他必须舍弃他的爵，离开家人，入深山寻访能够指点他途径、传授大道给他的名师。在他经历了千辛万苦之后，同时已将凡心修炼成佛心，并已达至圆满之行为，以及做了许多善事，在他至诚之下，终于感动上天之心，派遣佛来指点、传授大道给他。在如此之情况下，成功者非常稀少。在那时，道是由一代祖师逆传给下一代祖师。
Today we need not go to the remote mountains in order to cultivate ourselves. We may find the means to do so in our own environment. Therefore we must take full advantage of our fortunate circumstances because we are in close proximity to the Tao. Why is the Tao so accessible to us at this time? It is because mankind is facing great calamities which signal the destruction of the human race. What is the cause of these calamities in this modern age? Most people blindly worship technical science and neglect spiritual harmony. They believe that the power of mankind can surpass nature and that science is almighty and can solve all human problems. It would seem as though conscience or soul are only religious terms and had no real existence. Most people do not recognize their true selves, which are indestructible and immortal. Actually, the true self is the master of the mortal body. Today most people have lost their consciences, harming others in order to benefit themselves. Those evils which human beings are now committing will cause great disasters, the likes of which had never been witnessed before. This will be the final calamity in which the human race, the immortals of space, and the ghosts in hell will all be destroyed.
然而现在我们不需要到深山去，而我们一默修行，何以我们能如此容易就得到这是因为时代不同了。现在人类面对劫难之来临， 末节就要来到，末节将会毁灭全人类。劫难是怎样造成的原因是在此新世纪，多数的人们不盲目崇拜科学，而不注重心灵的完善。他们相信人类的力量能超出大自然，科学是高于一切，科学是万能，科学能解一切人类之问题。而良心、灵性仅是宗教之名词，它永不能实现。人们不认识真理，真理是我们之良心、道心、真我本体，它不污蔑，万古长存，它是主持我一生之主人翁。如今世上的众生，大多数失去了真正的良心，他们造一切之罪恶，因此造成了空前绝后之浩劫。我们称它为末劫。在此浩劫中，不仅全世界的众生，同时起天的大天、地府的鬼魂都要受劫灭。
However, God, of whose essence we are created, is merciful and compassionate and does not desire that the good people be destroyed along with the evil ones. So God has provided that the Tao be disseminated among mankind and has sent the great teachers, Buddha, Shikha and Bodhisattva Yue, to rescue the three kinds of beings, the immortals of space, human beings, and the ghosts in hell, so that they may return to heaven together. Buddha, Shikha and Bodhisattva Yue are under the command of God and are responsible for transmitting the Tao to the three kinds of beings. Their duty is to manage the work called the last salvation. The salvation is formless and soundless, and the transmission is performed without preaching. It directly points out the original nature, conscience or soul of mankind in order that people may realize their true nature and thereby become enlightened.
然而，是我们灵性的至高无上之母亲上帝，是非常的慈悲，一不忍善恶俱焚，因此降下真道并派明师济公佛与月慧菩萨降世挽救三曹弃天之大天，世界的众生，地府的鬼魂同返天堂。我们师尊师母二位老大人奉老母的命令，真传真守，护度三曹。他们的责任是办理末后一收圆大事，不立文字，教外别传，直指人心，直指人固有之良心。灵性使人们见自信而成佛。
When the last calamity arrives, nothing can save mankind except the true way, which is the Tao sent from God. That is why the Tao is widely propagated today to save good people. Ancient people first cultivated themselves and then received the Tao. But today we receive the Tao first and then cultivate ourselves. Therefore, after we have received the Tao, we have to seriously cultivate ourselves. Then we shall automatically be safe from danger, escape from calamities, avoid reincarnation and become saints and Buddhas.
当末 结零头时，没有任何其他方法可以解救众生，除了上帝所降下的唯一之道。因此，现在大道普度善男信女，古人是先修后的，先修道然后才得道。现在我们是先的后修，因此得道以后，我们要真正修道，将来自然能逢凶化吉，躲劫彼难，超生了死，成圣成佛。
Although it is easier for modern people to receive the Tao than it was for past generations, the ability to receive the Tao also depends on each person's condition and background. Today you receive the Tao because you had an affinity with our temple and you and your ancestors had performed many virtuous acts. Possibly you were cultivated in a religion in your previous lives. These conditions allow you to have an affinity for the Tao. Without this affinity you would never receive it.
虽然今人比古人更易得道，然而亦是各凭各之，根基缘分。今天你们得道皆因与佛有缘，前世有行善积德，祖先有德，也许前世有修过五大宗教或其他宗教，因此使你们今天有缘得道，否则将永不能得到。
Chapter 2 What is the Tao? Ladies and gentlemen, you have received the Tao today, but what did you actually receive? What is the Tao? The Tao is the source of everything. Tao is the creator and master of the universe. Tao is God, the supreme power. Before the earth and sky existed, before the creation of the universe, the Tao existed. After the universe is annihilated and nothing remains, the Tao will continue to exist and to create and control a new universe. The Tao is limitless, invisible and formless. It cannot be seen, heard, smelled or touched and is beyond the power of human comprehension. Tao activates everything, yet we cannot see its action. It works without effort, yet nothing left undone. Man usually calls it nature. Nothing can exist without the Tao because everything depends on it. Tao is God and our soul issues from God's essence. We are God's children.
第二章蛇魔是道，各位今天已经得到。究竟的是蛇魔，蛇魔是道，道是天地人万物之母，道是宇宙之本源，创造者亦即主宰者，道上帝，道至尊至贵之神。当天地还未生之前，一切都未有之前，道义先存在的。当天地毁灭后，道不毁灭，道能再生天地人万物，天地人万物生成了，道其中主宰。道非常奥妙，道无形无相，视而不见，听而不闻，不可救，不可捉摸。道超出了人们的想象力而不思议，亦不可言说，一切皆是道所为。然而我见不到道的动作。道是无为而为的，然一切莫不是道所为。人们常称它为自然。假若无道， 任何一物不能存在，因为一切都依靠道而的存。造上帝，我们之灵性是上帝所赐，我们是上帝之儿女，上帝是我们之天。
When we speak of the creator of the universe, we call it Tao. When we speak of the ruler of everything, we call it natural law. When we speak of the animating and controlling principle of our being, we call it soul or conscience. When we speak of the creator of our soul, we refer to the Heavenly Mother. In Chinese she is called Lao Mu. All of the above are one and the same.
当我们从它作为宇宙之本源而言，称它为道；在它作为一切之主宰而言，我们称它为理。当它在我并之配肉体时，我们称它为灵性或良心。因为它赋予我们本性，我们称它为老。这些名称虽异而其意相同，皆指同一物而言。
Now, what you have actually received is the Tao. Tao is everybody's true self. Today you have been initiated by the teacher and the door of your mind has been opened. Now you are able to understand that the body is not your true self. The body is controlled by the Tao within you.
现在你们的就是道，道是每一个人的真我。今天你们一的名师指点，开了心窍。现在你认识了肉体并非真正的你，而灵性才是真正的你，那位无形无相的。然而在支配你的身体的灵性，才是真正的你自己。
While you are alive, your soul dwells within your body. As soon as the soul leaves your body, you are dead. Your soul is from God, but your physical body is from your parents. You already had the Tao within you yet did not realize it. Therefore, you have had to search for it and had now been fortunate enough to find a teacher who was able to transmit it to you. Previously you believed that the physical body was your true self and behaved accordingly. You were selfish, committing misdeeds, acts of violence, and overindulging in physical pleasures. This condition repeatedly led you into reincarnation and endless sufferings. Now you understand that your true self is not your physical body but only use the body as a vehicle. You are not limited to this physical body. You are boundless. You are the master of the universe because you have God's essence within you. You are full of mercy and love because you share of God's spirit. Most people today have forgotten all these spiritual characteristics and do not know who they really are. Today you are regaining your conscience, your true self.
每个人活时，灵性在他体内，若灵性一离开，他立刻就死亡。灵性附于天，而肉体由父母而来，因此 事实上，我们已有道在身上，为何还要再寻求它？还要有点传师来传授人？因是我们已不认识它了。我们以为肉体真我，而不知它原是假，因此我们变得自私，做了许多错事与罪恶。为了使此色身享受如此，使我们坠入轮回中，遭受无边痛苦。我们不知真正的我乃是灵性，而我们已不是仅限于此肉身。我们是无限的广大，我们是宇宙之主宰，因我们的灵性与老是一体。我们的本性充满了慈悲与爱心，因我们是老之分灵。然而现在人们都失去了这些品性，亦不知他究竟是谁。今天我们得到是的为真我良心。
Chapter 3 What are the three treasures? Today you have received the three treasures. A. The heavenly portal be the divine mantra C. The symbolic seal A. The first treasure, the heavenly portal, the point where the teacher placed his finger upon your face during the ceremony, is called the heavenly portal. It is the abode of your true self and can be described in different ways, such as 1. Original nature. This is the true self. Soul, or conscience, which is eternal and indestructible. 2. The portal of birth and death. The heavenly portal is the door by which our original nature enters and leaves our body. Confucius asked, who can leave the house without using the door? Why do people not follow this way? 3. The way to heaven. A Buddhist sutra says, heaven is 108,000 miles away. These words are the metaphor, which actually means that it was not easy to become enlightened because the true teacher was difficult to find and the Tao was not yet widely propagated. Without the proper understanding of the Tao, heaven seems very far away, but with a real understanding of the Tao, heaven is very near. Today your teacher has pointed out the way for you, and you may now ascend to heaven with one step.
第3章，何谓三宝？今天你们所得之至宝，亦可称为三宝：一玄观，二口诀，三合同。第一宝玄观，玄观玄妙莫测之门，玄观点传师向你们指点之处。它有许多名称，一点本性，此是我本来固有的真我灵性良心，它是不毁不灭的，它永远存在。二点生死之门户，玄观是灵性出入身体之门户。孔子曰：谁能出户由户，何莫由思道也。三点通天大陆佛经云：西天108000里，此是譬喻，亦成佛是不易之事，因为名师难访，大道还未普传。然而名师经已指点明路，你一步登天。四点
The main entrance, the heavenly portal, is the main entrance. It is situated at the center and not to the left or right, above or below. This entrance was locked after your imperishable spirit entered the body at birth. If the heavenly portal is not unlocked by your teacher, your true self is not able to leave the body by the main entrance at the time of death. Instead, it will have to leave by one of the side gates A. The eyes, did the ears, see. The mouth, did the nose, even navel, F. The vertex if your spirit leaves from the ears it is reborn as a viviparous animal, such as a horse, pig, cow, sheep, etc. The eyes it is reborn as an oviparous bird. See mouth it is reborn as a creature of the water, such as a fish, a lobster, etc. The nose it is reborn as an insect, such as a fly, a moth, a bee, etc. The navel it is reborn as an ordinary person. At vertex it is reborn as a wealthy and powerful person.
正门玄关是正门，它正好位于当中，不偏向左也不偏向右，不在上也不在下。当灵性投入身体后，此门关闭了。假如我们不欲明师指开玄关，灵终时我们的灵性将无正门可出离身体，它只能由其他旁门出去，眼耳口鼻肚其顶门。如果灵性走旁门，亦由耳而出者，来生当为胎生之动物，如马、猪、牛、羊之类；二由眼而出者，来生当为卵生之动物，如飞鸟之类；三由口而出者，来生当为湿生之动物，如鱼虾之类；四由鼻而出者，来生当为化生之动物，如苍蝇、蜜蜂之类；五由肚脐而出者，来生当为平庸之人；六由顶门而出者，来生当为富贵之人。上述之路乃生死轮回之路，不能脱出生死之苦，便传师点开玄关正门，这是通天之路。我们不必再走四门，不必再坠入轮回受苦，但是我们必须要真修，否则玄关虽开，我们的灵性仍不能返天，因我们还是充满罪恶。灵性为罪恶所示，不能自由从正门而出的。五点。
In the Bible, Matthew 13:11, John said to his disciples, I baptize you with water to show that you have repented. But that one who will come after me will baptize you with the Holy Spirit and fire. The vow is transmitted to you in the temple of God through God's sanction and commandment. The holy lamp on the altar symbolizes God. In the transmittal ritual, the teacher uses the incense to lead a line of fire from the holy lamp to your heavenly portal. Then, using his finger, he connects God's spirit with your spirit so that they flow together as one, thereby enlightening you with God's spirit. This is the actual fulfillment of John's prophecy.
圣经上记载，约翰对他的门徒说：“我用水给你们施洗，表明你们已悔改。然而在我之后的将用圣灵与火给你们施洗。请记忆，你们是在上帝的宫殿里得到，因为我们有上帝的天命。” 那盏佛灯代表上帝老。在点道之仪式中，你们以剑道点传师以相助，从佛灯引来一条筋指向你们的玄关，然后借点传师的手指点在你们的玄关之时，上帝一一的圣灵已点开了你们的心窍，照破了黑暗。现在你们可见到约翰之预言已经实现在你们身上。6点
Sakyamuni Buddha said, I had the great Dharma which is hidden in the eyes. This indicates the location of the heavenly portal. 6.
释迦牟尼佛云无有正法典藏此语，暗示玄关之地。
Be the second treasure, the divine mantra 1. You had now been given the divine mantra. It is very important to remember it as it will save your life. It is only to be used in extremely dangerous situations. This mantra acts as a powerful spiritual distress signal to the divine forces, much like an SOS transmitted by radio waves. It is to be projected mentally and silently with great concentration, while at the same time focusing the eyes on the heavenly portal and holding the symbolic seal with the hands. Powerful aid will immediately be sent to you in order to rescue you from danger. If you sincerely cultivate yourself, you will always remain under the refuge of Buddha.
第二宝口诀：心经或无字真经，一刚才传授口诀给你们，还记得吗？请再说一遍。当性命危险时，你才用此宝，将真经默念口中，手抱合同，你将可被千佛救护，脱离危险。不过要注意，此口诀仅能于性命危急之时方可运用。假若我们真诚修道，当然我们将受千佛之庇佑。2点
The divine mantra which connects your true self with God. This mantra is without form, sound or color and is the essence of Tao, the underlying and ultimate principle of the universe. This mantra unites your being with that of the Tao, forming a powerful bond. Every great religion indicates this potential unity, but they do not fully understand how to implement and effect it. You now have this knowledge and are familiar with its application.
2心经口传心受由声音而达入无声因果之真心，由千经万典而达入真经真点。心经心法真空言真我本性也。3点
The true teaching is transmitted from mind to mind. The true self, the I, the spirit, the mind all indicate the true center of man or his real essence and original indestructible nature, which is identical with Tao. The human being is a microcosm, sharing all the attributes of the macrocosm. Since he is essentially divine, Man only needs to understand the nature of reality and align himself with it. The more pure and refined his nature, the more conscious he becomes of his relationship with the Tao. When he realizes that he is one with the Tao, he has become fully enlightened.
三以心传心口传心手，以老之心传于众生之真心，此者老的分灵之心也。
See, the third treasure, the symbolic seal 1. In Chinese, ha means to combine and tun means all together. The symbolic seal, which is formed by the two hands joined together, is the golden seal, which is formed by the two hands joined together, is the golden seal which unites us with God. It is like a contract or mutual agreement, which is the actual meaning of Hatun between you and your Heavenly Mother. It acts as a signal, password, or passport. It is a spiritual instrument of identification, as well as symbol with many ramifications. 2. When you hold the symbolic seal, you are united with God. 3. The left hand is good, so it is placed on the outside, covering the right hand. The right hand is often used for evil purposes, such as beating and killing. The right hand is placed on the inside because of its evil propensities and is shielded by the left hand. Together the hands hold the word child, which is formed by the two thumbs in proximity, symbolizing the Chinese word hai, which means child. This hand symbol acts as a direct signal to God. It serves to mobilize heavenly protection and causes the user to escape from any impending calamity. 4. Let us quote some words from the Bible. Matthew 19:13-15. Some people brought children to Jesus for him to place his hands on and to pray for them, but the disciples scolded the people. Jesus said, "Let the children come to me and do not stop them, because the kingdom of heaven belongs to them." He placed his hands on them and then went away. This event illustrates the power and significance of the symbolic seal. At that time Jesus placed his hands on the children's heads and explained that this is the way to God's kingdom. Today we hold the child symbol and realize that we are the children of God and are willing to return to God's presence.
3. 第三，报和同一点和同之意和是合成一体，同是相同，合同象征老赐予我们的经印，表示我们以为根人，我们守抱合同，表示我们要与老合成一体，同老一样，是说与老和灵永不再分开。2点和同，同和，抱起合同，能一言罗。3点左手属善当在外，右手属恶居内边，子亥枪掐怀中抱，能托九大节关。4点现在让我们引用圣经之语句，有一些人带孩子们到耶稣跟前，求耶稣为他们按手祝福。但是使徒们责备那些人，耶稣 稣说，让孩子们到我这里来，不要阻止他们，因为上帝的国是属于如此的人。耶稣为他们按手祝福，然后离开。从这件事，我们可以了解，它是对合同之一种预言。在那时，耶稣把手按在孩子头上，并说：“须如此，方能返回天国。”如今我们受到的凯觉，并觉悟我们是上帝的儿女，且愿意回返上帝身边。
Chapter 4 Why do the introducer and the sponsor take an oath at the altar before you receive the vow from your teacher? Two persons take an oath at the altar, one as your introducer and one as your sponsor. Without these two persons, the vow will not be transmitted to you. The introducer vouches for your character and guarantees your good conduct. The sponsor guarantees that the vow is the true path and that the teachings are genuine. A vow is also taken to guarantee that any money which you may donate to the temple will only be used for the printing of books and other such noble purposes.
第4章为什么引导要立愿在解诗还未传道给你之